Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Me and my sister from It's Shayla y'all are going to be doing a video on my channel of my hair and her channel with her hair. So let's get started.
Alright, these are one of the products that we're using today in our hair. Is that going to be backwards?
It shouldn't.
Sure, for her channel. And
A
then
little.
we have the hair mayonnaise. So, and this has different things. It has organic herbs, olive oil, and egg protein. So,
And we've been doing using these products for a long time. Quite a
At
few
least
years.
10 years.
Yeah, a long time. And Amra, my sister-in-law, actually told me about this product, and it has done wonderful for my hair. When I fried my hair off one time, but I'll save that for another time.
Yeah.
So, I guess we'll go on. Well, we're gonna brush our hair out first because
Yeah.
we need to. So we'll go on and do that. I have to use 2 hair bows. Here's the first one, and the other one's in this.
I usually do, but I have a newer
Not.
hair row in, so.
And my hair gets tangled so easy when I put it up in a bun.
Why is that?
I don't know.
I mean, because it's wrapped up in a.
And it's bad, like, wow. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to video this because this is bad.
It's not.
It is.
Look at mine.
Look at that. This is so bad. Okay, so after we brushed these nasty mops out, we're going to start with, which one? Let's do this one first, the coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
We'll start with the coconut oil. Oh, we got to have a spoon because we down to the nitty gritty.
Mm.
Down to the nitty gritty.
There's enough, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't need a bottle
I mean,
for your head. It's been a while since I've done it, but I like doing it at least 2 times a month. It's the
blonde hair.
blonde hair.
She used to be a blonde.
I did used to be a blonde. I was a blonde. Still am.
Undercover.
But I like to take it and start massaging it in the roots of my head.
And
It
I'm
doesn't
just
take a
copying and
lot.
following along. Y'all just listen to her.
It doesn't take a lot, but my hair is pretty thick. So I want to make sure that I get the scalp really good. And it is aggravating when you go to wash it out. It is so aggravating. I have to wash it out 3 times with shampoo.
You have any cases?
No, my
Oh.
son's over there, and he's being
Silly.
Yeah, he's being silly. He thinks that I didn't see him crawl across the floor.
Yeah, my nephew he's hiding on the other side of the chair and stuff, and I didn't know what that was coming out from over there. I didn't know what was in my house.
are done. We got it completely soaked, and now it's just letting it sit Probably gonna let mine sit overnight. So
Yeah, I think.